Welcome to Church Office Online's video tutorial on how to use the individual access utility for church members. This tutorial will teach you how to gain access, view and edit your contact information, view and print your church directory, church calendar, your contribution statement, along with a growing list of other features. Now, this utility has been provided to allow you secure access to help your church in keeping its records current and to assist you to stay in touch with your activity and your church community. Let's begin. First, you'll need to sign on to your church membership online program. If you have access to this program, you'll notice that there is an individual access button located on to the right of this program along with a link, and what you have to do is just click this link. Or if you want to, you can type in the individual access URL shown here from your web browser. Let's begin. First of all you have to do is click this button here to gain access to the home page of the individual access program. When you arrive at the home page of this program, you'll notice that there are two tabs at the top. One is about the home, which you currently see, and also an about, which also contains the written information that I'm imparting to you right now. Also, there is a video link located on this page to this video tutorial as well. Now, there's two areas on this home page. First of all, the login for standard logins for those who already have their email address and password recorded in this program. But if you do not have a login information, mostly the second part, the password, you'll need to gain that login information down below here if you're a new user. Now, before we begin, please understand that this is based upon the fact that your church has an account with Church Office Online and specifically its Church Membership Online program, and that your record has been entered into this program already containing the email address that you will place in this field. Now, if you're unaware of what that particular email address is, because many members have sometimes more than one, you might want to confirm that with your church before beginning. Once you know what that email address is, go ahead and place it into the field here, hit submit, and then once you submit this request, Church Office Online will send you a email reply back to your email program, which will contain, again, your email address, the logon URL that you can also directly place onto your dashboard or your desktop of your computer and to access that, as well as your secure password. Now, this password will be a combination of both alpha and numeric characters, which will appear to be somewhat complicated, but it is necessary to be able to give you the kind of security that we believe is necessary to have. So let's go ahead and log on. Once you've entered in information up here and your password, go ahead and click the log on button and you'll be taken to the home page of the church individual access program. Now, in this main page, your church has several options as to what they will have you be able to view. They will be able to have you view the anniversary dates or birth dates, with the exception of the years attached to those particular dates. And some churches make that available, other churches might not. So that's entirely up to your church, not up to our program. If you don't find your anniversary date or your birth date here, you'll be able to have opportunity to enter those dates later on here in this program. Now again, this is our dashboard, and there's some quick links to be able to view your personal information, which is contained in this tab. See a list of your contributions, which is further over to your right, and then finally manage your account, which is located here, which basically amounts to being able to enter a new password specific to your own preferences. Again, we have the same About tab here. So let's go into the personal information and see how we can view and edit our personal information. Here we have two basic areas. The personal information, your church name will be listed here. You have the ability to first view down basically what we surmise is your contact information, including your email address, phone number, mobile phone, and so forth. You want to make sure that these are correct. And you can edit any of these just by clicking edit and going to a particular field that you want to edit. Say if you want to redo your phone number, you can do that simply. And then once you do that, you can go back here and save. Again, you can do that not only for your own information, but for the information of those within your household. Again, the target of this program is to help your church into maintaining your records, that they're current, and so they have better connection with you, communication with you, and also give you opportunity to connect with others as well. Now, we not only give you the opportunity to view your information, but you can edit that information and understand that no one else has that opportunity to edit your information or even view beyond the information of just the name, street, city, state, email address, and phone number. So let's go on to the directory. Now, some churches can make this available, others might not. And in this directory, it's a great opportunity for you to lower the cost of your church's printing of directories, because actually you have the ability to print the directory right from here, either the standard directory, much as you see it here, or a picture directory. You can also search by first or last name just by putting in like three letters of the first or last name and hit search, and it will go through your directory and bring up those names that match that search. It's a great utility. It allows you the opportunity not only to view these, but also if there is a specific email address assigned to an individual, you can simply click on that email address. It will engage your internet email program and allow you to send out an email to that person by pre-populating the to field, the address field, with this address. Which is pretty nice, because you know how difficult it is sometimes to copy and the email addresses of people. It can become difficult at times. This program also contains not only the directory, but also a church calendar. The church calendar is a great utility because, one, it is a current calendar. Current in the sense that whatever your staff at your church or volunteers place on the calendar will automatically update the calendar you're viewing. Now, this calendar does not allow you to place additional items on this calendar or make corrections, but it will allow you to view and view in detail. If you just mouse over a particular placement, you will see the name of the item expanded. If you click on, say, an item like the Sunday school, it not only tells you the start times, end times, but also whatever description or additional information that the person who placed this on the calendar added, such as just a Sunday school for all ages, and this can be quite detailed if they want, giving location and other information such as the people who are teaching or whatever they would like to do. So it's a great calendar. You can choose to view it by day, week, or month, and you can navigate using these tools up here through the various months or day or weeks, and so it's a great utility to have to particularly keep you informed and other members of your church informed as to what is taking place. Also, you not only have a calendar you can view, but you can also view your contributions. This is a great utility because you can basically view whatever contributions have made. Just click in the first field. You can choose from the selection below or enter in dates as you see them pasted above. Say if I wanted to go year to date to find out how much I've been given from the first, from January through to the last time I gave, you'll see that those contributions are listed here by date, amount, category, which is very beneficial sometimes because sometimes we make a mistake and we put something into a particular fund that was intended to be placed into another fund. And so you can catch those issues here sometimes. Also, if there was a mistake in the givings, for instance, if it was supposed to really be $100 and not $100,000, and so you might be able to contact the church and say there's a little bit of an error here, and they'll make that correction for you. You cannot correct your amounts here. However, you can print off at any time your end of year tax statement just by clicking this link, which is a download link of a PDF file to your computer, which which allow you to print the tax statement, which will have your name or your household name on it, as well as all the contributions made. So it's a great utility. It helps you to keep in touch with what you've given. Our program also has an added financial reports, and that's for pledges, or what some churches might designate as faith promises, or pledge tithes. And so you can see this here. It allows you to see how much you've pledged, how much was contributed, and how much remains, or how much was given over the amount. And so it's a great way to just check up on the health of your giving, and encourage you to take a look at that. And again, some churches use our program for contributions and others don't. So it's particularly determined by your church of whether or not you're going to view anything in this particular field. Finally, the account itself. It's simple to go in. All you have to do is put in your new password, confirm the new password by typing it again, and click Change Password. Again, we encourage you to consider the combination of both alpha and numeric characters. We take very seriously the security of your program, and we would encourage you not to use passwords that can be found out by others, thus allowing them access to the program. So, and also to keep your passwords secure. Don't leave them out in the open. We appreciate the opportunity to share this video tutorial with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@churchofficeonline.com. Also, we encourage you to talk to your church administrator regarding any issues that you might have with signing into this program, or not being able to see certain features. Again, thank you, and we look forward to being able to share other features with you in the future.